Find or read reviews that people are talking about YGKSAA USB-C to 3.5mm Female Headphone Jack Adapter. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Plug and play. This YGKSAA headphone adapter to USB-C does not require software or drivers to be installed, just plug it into a USB-C device and use it immediately. Small and light, easy to carry. Hi-Fi sound quality. Equipped with a powerful built-in DAC high-resolution chip, this audio jack to USB-C delivers an exceptional audio experience. Shielding current interference, eliminating music noise, ensuring clarity and purity of audio transmission. You can enjoy crystal clear sound quality and immerse yourself in the world of music. Multifunction USB-C to audio jack adapter. This USB-C to 3.5mm jack audio adapter connects your USB-C device to headphones and other audio devices. You can use the function keys on the headset to make calls, control volume, and pause. Phones with 3.5mm jack are not supported. Wide compatibility. This headphone jack to USB-C works with a variety of USB-C device audio devices, compatible with Samsung S20 Plus, S21 Ultra, iPhone 15, 16, 17, and more USB-C audio devices. It has a wide range of compatibility, allowing you to connect 3.5mm headphones to a variety of devices, convenient and practical. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.